Guys, please give me your attention. Here I wanna sketch a floor by using circle. Check this out. Here is the result. Finish. One of the problems that you were dealing with was if you create the circle into some parts, it would be disappear. Check this out. It has disappeared right now. That I told you a trick to make the floor visible in the level view actually. And this is all because of the view range. So let me open view range to adjust it. Here in bottom offset, minus 0, 0.5 and 0.5. Check this out. By this way you can display it. Previously it was beneath the level, so it was not visible at the current view. The view range was not well adjusted because the floor was converted to some parts, and here the appeared element is not a floor, actually is a part. If I hold the mouse, check this out. So this is a floor which is converted to parts, as you can see, and all of these items will be scheduled in a table. When you schedule this element, you will see that these are the related parts for the floor, for example, or related to the walls and stuff like that. And if you specify show original, you can specify the original type or category of the model. Here if I sketch some other lines or another circle inside the previous one, and here I'm gonna say that it does not matter how many lines you did a sketch. But here, as you can see on this screen, I can sketch whatever I want since nothing changes. For instance, I sketch a line, check this out, and then a curved line. After that, I want to mirror it at the other side by picking an axis, check this out. Then I duplicate the curved line in the specified offset, check this out. 0.15 by this way. Wireframe graphic style. Since I don't want the floor to be selected, very well. In the continuation, let me select these lines, and then by using array, I want to array them. Wait for a second. I want to array this sketch in the specified number and angle. Here I can have 8 number of this sketch in the angle of 45 degrees. Wait for a second please. I specify 8 as number and then 45 for the angle. Let's check it out. Very well. This sketch is arrayed. And right now this sketch is accepted by Revit, but the only problem here is that these lines should reach to each other. And as you know, when we use array, the arrayed sketches are grouped to each other, or are grouped. I click on edit group, and then I extend the lines. Check this out. Let me extend the other side by this way, then I click on finish. Let me edit the group again. Let me check it. Well done. Here actually there are some lines which need to be trimmed. If I open the texture of the flooring, check this out. As you can see, some parts need to be trimmed. That if I create parts based on this sketch, then we will have some problems. Here we can either use trim, since these sketches are grouped with each other. We can use edit group and then trim the extra parts in edit group. Check this out, and I trim the other side by this way. Then I click on finish to save the changes. This is okay and accepted by Revit, so it doesn't need to be trimmed anymore, and we are finished with the texture. And then I select them to ungroup the items. Select and then ungroup. After that, before going for the next step, I select the thin lines by this way by using filter, and then I make a copy from the selected lines, and as I told you before, we should align it at the same place, or paste it, align this to the same place. I think a straight line was remained. So again I open level 1 plan view and I delete these very well. I select them by click and drag, and then by using filter I pick lines. Okay, I make a copy by clicking on copy, check this out, and then divide parts. Then in a sketch, then I paste them aligned to the current view by this way, and then finish. Well done. Then if I open 3D view, check this out. We got the divided parts in 3D view by using parts. Then we can enable the shape handles or work on the materials. I uncheck material by original and then modify the associated materials. In material browser, well done. Check it out.